Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to watch deleted YouTube videos. So let's get into it. First of all, navigate YouTube site on the browser and make sure you are logged in. Click on your profile located in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Go to YouTube Studio and click on Content. Then tap on these three dots right here. If you selected Delete Forever, you need to mark the checkbox that says deleting your video is permanent and can't be undone. So the only way you can watch a deleted video is to search and see if anyone posted your videos. With famous people, this happens often. So try to search the video. For example, let's type in Mr. Beast videos. Click on Filters and select Upload Date under Sort By. Here, you can see how they make content and upload Mr. Beast videos. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.